Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change profile viewing options in LinkedIn. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And also here the next step, you just have to open your LinkedIn. And after here, you just have to go to your account at the top left and tap on the settings icon here at the bottom. In the settings, go ahead to this visibility, and then at the first option, which is profile viewing options, you just have to tap on it. And as you can see here, I use your name and headline, yeah guys, which is the others will see my profile by my name and the headline. If you want to change it, you just have to choose these two options at the bottom, which is private profile characteristic or private mode. So if you want to change it, you just have to choose these two options. So yeah, if you're done, you just have to go back because it will save automatically. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.